So this is the new Motorola Quench. It's just been released this morning here in Barcelona. When somebody buys a Motoblur phone, the first thing that they're presented with is this screen, where you just tell the device which social networking accounts or which email accounts you actually have set up. You only have to do this once. You enter in your login details, and the Motoblur servers will start talking to your email account, Facebook, Twitter, Last.fm, pulling out information and then delivering that to the home screen of the device. So we'll have messages which are delivered here. It doesn't matter if the message comes from an email or whether it's a text or whether it's a Facebook message. It's completely integrated.
Not an application for Facebook or Twitter?
No, it's completely integrated and everything's delivered onto the home screen of the phone. You can quickly come in and you can browse any of your updates. So somebody's commented on my status, Petra has. I can view all comments here, and maybe what I want to do is to add a comment. Okay, so that will automatically default to Facebook. One of the things, however, on a touch tablet is many people have to punch on here. It causes a lot of errors. So what we did was we integrated a technology called swipe. Okay, so the swipe technology, what we can do is say, just hold the finger on the screen, yeah. Just holding your finger on the screen, you can much more quickly enter text, and the predictive engine will write that out for you. So very, very powerful way of entering. As far as I'm concerned,
what you're writing, it doesn't know exactly what you're writing.
Well, it's not fully predict. What it's doing is it's evaluating how you're writing on the screen. So I said the quick brown fox, and I'll say jumped. So it's following the pattern around, and then when it doesn't know it, it will give you some selections. Yeah. So you can very, very quickly enter text more reliably than almost any other route. So that's delivered to you on Motoblur. Now, the wonderful thing about Motoblur is actually the contact book. I didn't enter any of these. Most people's contact books will just be a name and a number. However, because of the way Motoblur works, it picks up the contacts from Facebook, from email, from Twitter, wherever you have a social networking site, and then it will automatically put the picture. It will tell you what those contacts are. So let's go into Hayshar here. Their picture update from Facebook is automatically downloaded. I know their birthday, I know their Facebook login, I know their email address. It's just automatically picked up. The other thing is, with happenings, this would be all of their status updates would be printed down. So maybe I would know she's on the Champs-Élysées having her coffee because she's just entered that. It would be listed down here. And then also the entire history of communications that I've had with that person would be down here. So Motoblur really is a very powerful service, that delivers all of your messages, your texts, your tweets, your pictures directly onto the home screen of the device for you to integrate. There's no logins, there's no separate applications. It's just a live, living device. You also
one contact. You see all your communications with them. You see emails and call log and everything.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. And equally, you can broadcast your status. So write it in here. Hi. Yep, it says confidently. Hi.
My battery's gone.
Talking with two world. Today's world-class journalists. And you can post that to any or all of your services, and it will be done immediately. And that's it.